We'll try to take your truck on the tongue. Oh, Chris did it on his own, didn't get any help. I thought we were short term, Mark. Joe Collins trying to get my buddy Steve at it. Chris up, working his way back. Take out his race partner, Michael Foster. Michael gets through. With a smile, making Keosho's owners proud. Joe Collins making them big Loki proud. And his son making the whole Loki proud. And Bo's up right now. That young Bo working his way up to the fifth spot. Michael Foster up to fourth. Chris up to fifth. Two Daddy Studio leaders. Joe Collins, Blake Collins. Michael Foster, Chris up, Coach Dennis, and Lorraine Bell.
5 minutes left.
We're not taking chances. That double's always been his fault right there. He just rolling it, making it sure. Stewart also has a fastest time around 17:68. Going Blake, both on the check. Chris up, working his way back up to that fourth spot, moving Michael down to fifth. Right behind you. Coming.
4 minutes left.
2 down, 4 to go. Stewart Small still out front, followed by Joe, Blake, Chris, Michael, Bo, and Grayson. Blake. Oh, got Luke here going to the straight. Clear, clear, clear. Good hustle from our race director. Wow. Got it. 55 guys. Careful those quick to stay wide, Stewart. Good job. Thank you there, Michael. Stewart with a 6.2-second lead over Joe. Blake 3.1 behind Joe. Chris only 3.5 behind Blake. Good race, first, second, third, fourth. Michael Foster right there in the back. Good race. Woo! There wasn't no way all three would make it to there. I'm surprised it could be. Oh! Good job, Cole. $3.30 down, $2.30 to go. Stewart Small, 4.1 second lead over Joe Collins. Joe's got 5.6 over Blake, and Chris 3.8 behind Blake.
Left.
Here's up, moving up to that third spot. Blake having a little bit of trouble, just a ball cut popped off his sure caution. Joe now only 1.5 seconds behind the leader, Stewart Small, right here with it, crossing the loop. Chris up in that third spot, he's through traffic. Ready to go, little Bo, when he catches up with you quickly. Michael Foster up in that fourth spot. Here's the leader on the straightaway, orange and white. Stewart Small. Joe Collins right on his heels. That Loki 22 deep. Ooh, golly. Behind you, buddy, behind you. moving up to the fifth spot. Well, yeah, they get him back going. Don't look like it. That ball just didn't want to go back on. Good eye, Joe. Fourth place, Michael Moss on throw away now. Joe now 5.7 seconds behind the leader, Stuart Small. Yeah, no kid. Red and Needle. Up and over. Chris just said, I'll let out. No, y'all go ahead. Yeah, maybe y'all ready next time. You go ahead and send him over. There you go. Good job. Good hustle turn to turn, Martin. Ooh, Stewart off the track. Just get his lap back. See if he can run it down the kitchen with 3 seconds to go. I doubt it, but that's okay. All right, guys. Finish the lap you were on. Finish the lap you're on. If we can, Michael Moulton, you are done. Fourth place. Blake's done. Grayson done. Bo's done. Joe done. And the winner right here. As soon as he gets across here, Stewart Small. Got Stewart, Joe, and Chris. Michael, Bo, Grayson, and Blake. Good job. Good job. Good job.